Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3 of today's list. I'm praying for some accommodation, my lord, in this matter.
What about item 4?
Both are listed. Item 4, yes, Lordship.
Is it
same.
connected?
I'm sorry, Lordship.
Connected matter?
No, it's not a connected matter, Lordship.
Okay.
It's a different insurance company.
This is, I think 4 is for condonation.
Condonation is already. There's a miscase for condonation which has been already allowed, Your Lordship.
No, not allowed.
It's also not been allowed. Hearing on that.
I am the respondent in item number 4.
4.
So they're seeking for some accommodation. I have no objection.
You're seeking only in 3 or 4?
In both matters, Lordship.
I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 1 in item number 3.
In item number 3.
Item number 4, madam.
On pre-made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, seeking accommodation on grounds of personal difficulty. The same not being objected to by the respondent. Matters adjourned. This is same after 2 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Daily list item number 1.
Lagi ni kayu kemlong na. Ta, kita sembarang pun.
My lord, we have taken steps on the private respondents.
Your Honor, Your Lordship, we appear for respondent number 7, 8, 9, 10.
Number 1 to 6.
You file your.
Well, I'm praying for some more time because we're still awaiting instructions from the department.
Mr. Learned Counsel has entered appearance on behalf of the respondents number 7, 8, 9 and 10 respectively. You file your power?
I will seek time, Your Honor, for instruction. And, yes, I've already filed powers.
And has sought for some time to file the counter affidavit. Similarly, Mr. C.C.T. Sangha, Learned Counsel for the respondents number 1 to 6.
1 to 6.
Has also sought for some more time to file the counter affidavit. Pre-made the same salon. This is matter up to 2 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Item number 2.
My lord, the respondents are represented by Mr. Sholai, Senior Counsel. He is on his leg before court number 4, my lord. So,
why is this matter? Why has this matter come before me?
my lord, this matter was, I think, after reshuffle of this change of budget, it has come.
No, I think it was recused by Justice.
Justice Bhattacharjee has recused this because he was dealing this matter as an additional Advocate General. So if
what is this matter about?
My lord, this matter pertains to selection, my lord, selection of to the post of LTA conducted by the district selection committee, my lord. So I have alleged certain criteria were changed while the selection process was on, my lord. So I have challenged because saying that you cannot change the rule, the principle that the rule cannot be changed once the game started, my lord. So here the criteria was changed. Maybe it is a small change in the criteria, typing speed from 30 words per minute to 24 words or 26 words per minute. But then now the question to look is that to what extent you can change the rule, because here because they are cutting out of judgments which says that there will be certain criteria when you can change the rule, but whether this falls within that purview or not.
See,
so this,
the selection process is over.
This selection process is over and we have implemented the people who have got selected also.
Firstly, you see, if it is not over,
yes,
I mean, for discussion's sake,
yes, my lord,
if the criteria has been changed from 30 words per minute
to 24, 26, my lord, yes.
How will that prejudice you? In fact, it would be advantageous to you as well as to other candidates. Number one. I don't think yours is a case in isolation.
No, no, it is, yes, my lord.
Number two, if the selection process is over
Yes.
and you have not been selected,
My lord, we have not been selected, but my lord,
somebody else has been.
yes. One ground is the changing of the, and the fallout of this is, my lord, what we were alleging is that this the criteria has been culled down in order to favor who could not qualify, my lord. That was our case, my lord. Now, my lord, subsequently my lord, when the selection was conducted or finished everything, and then the appointment was given, my lord, one of such appointee, my lord, found out to be have submitted a false certificate in order to secure a job, my lord. So right from day one, we were saying that this entire selection, right from day one, it's full of suspicion.
Was that brought to the knowledge of the concerned authorities?
Yes,
Your
yes,
Lordship.
yes. And
what have they done?
when it was brought to the concerned authority, they had no other option than to terminate the individual, my lord. To terminate the individual, my lord. So therefore, we were saying that, my lord, relook into this entire selection process, because that's only the tip of an iceberg, my lord. While pending, because we have been consistently saying that this has been curtailed down in order to accommodate somebody who doesn't deserve. So we have been then fortunate for us, my lord, while pending this matter, this development had happened, my lord.
Okay. It was during the pendency of this case.
Yes, this development had happened, my lord. And also, my lord, another point is, my lord, even before.
But have you amended your petition to raise that?
Yes.
ground?
And even before, my lord, even before the select list was published, my lord, there were some on social media. The list was already out, my lord. And the authority very quickly brushed aside. No, this. In fact, they even filed an FIR against us also. They said, how did you get this list on the social media? And then subsequently, when they said that the government came up with, the district selection committee came up with the real list, comparing that some of the names are there in the real list also, my lord. So therefore, my lord, we have been, again, we come back to the point one only, saying that, this interview, it's arbitrary. It has been, there was much bias into it. Therefore, this selection must go. Therefore, we have also implemented all of them also, my lord, because initially, his lordships were of the view that you are challenging this because it has already created a third-party interest. What tomorrow if we set up, we will be doing injustice to them because we are not hearing them. So therefore, subsequent then we have amended our plan by implementing all of them, my lord. All of them.
True. That of course you have to do it.
Yes, my lord.
Because now they have been appointed.
Yes, my lord.
So
They have joined long time back.
They have joined long time back.
2021.
Yes.
This is 2021 matter, my lord. And moreover, my lord, even if we have some information that even the petitioners have got job in the, because at that time, my lord, in some other district also the same recruitment was being carried out. I believe some of the petitioner has got in the other districts.
I don't have instructions to that, my lord, whether we got job or not. But the thing is,
you have that.
My lord, because
If
some-
they are, if
my lord, it is for my friend to speak
How
to
many
them because
petitioners are there?
they
11,
may have not informed.
12 petitioners.
yes, my lord.
12,
There are two petitioners, my lord. I can take instructions in a week's time, my lord,
Because if
because,
some of them have been, have only got jobs.
my lord,
So firstly they may not be interested to pursue the matter.
my lord.
Secondly, even if they pursue the matter, they will not be we cannot be accommodated.
My lord,
It cannot be because of the fact that they are suitably employed.
my lord.
Whatever the case may be,
Let's commit in a week's time, my lord. I'll take up instruction and then we'll finish 2021 matter.
you try to find out also.
My lord,
Since it has come from your mouth,
my lord.
try to find out whether some of them have really.
Miss Lingua can private respondents because they know more or less, my lord, they know each other. So some of the other way, I have been
For
informed.
all the private respondents.
Yes, my lord.
except for the one which has been terminated her appointment because of the illegal documents, the fake documents, you know.
She has not.
No, my lord.
questioned
She
her
was. She
termination.
has not been made a party anymore, my lord, because she does. Because she genuinely has not accepted, because her document was found to be not in order, my lord. So she has been.
Anyway, I don't think it will matter much.
Your Lordship,
What you can do now, as has been submitted, just try to find out.
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
Lordship, they are his clients, Your Lordship, the petitioners. I think it would be better if.
No, he will also.
No, that I'm saying.
In
would he
fact, the
wants-
onus,
Yes.
the onus would be on
Right.
Mr. Yubin.
Yes, my lord.
In first place.
Yes.
Secondly, you can also find out,
Yes.
and if he tries to hide something, then you can bring it out.
My lord.
My lord, first thing is a result cannot be when the government has its own procedure. They have their own website and notice board. Facebook result, my lord, that cannot be the essence of the case, my lord. Social media has spread many news, my lord. Even if a person is alive, there's information of death. So how can there can be basis of the
That
case,
aspect
my
will
lord?
be looked into.
Yes,
My
my
lord,
lord.
we will pay.
We see what impact it will have on the merits of the case.
Yes, yes, my lord.
And moreover, the scale of the typing speed was also curtailed down, my lord. We have cut down to enable that larger youth can participate in the recruitment. It was higher, so lesser. After lesser, my lord, it is in their interest
It was a benefit which
Benefit.
was enjoyed by both the petitioner
and
and
the
Exactly, that's
private
what I was saying in the
respondent.
first
So
place. You see,
there cannot be any prejudice, my lord.
we have to be. You see, you have to understand the fine line.
Yes, yes, my
between
lord. Yes,
public policy
yes.
and what is not.
I will, my lord, let it come in on the date of the hearing, my lord. On merit, I will show, my lord, how did they curtail, my lord? Because there's a ratio, the ratio where there are certain posts of 15 or 16 posts, my lord, and you already have enough qualified person in 30 field. Why you need 4,000 of them? Why do you need 4,000 of that? It's only to show that some of the people whom are they going to favor did not met 30 speed, my lord. Otherwise, it was not required at all, my lord. And we have all qualified under this. So in order to accommodate some of them who did not qualify, my lord, and the Supreme Court's the Pathak's judgment of recently also, my lord, it's very clearly says that how can you scale down or how can you change the rule once you have started already? Therefore, my lord, there can't be any justification. I will try to persuade my lord in that line as well.
Fine. At the hearing, it was submitted by the parties that at the hearing, Ms. Arkulni Larajia has submitted that some of the petitioners have been suitably accommodated in other government jobs, and in view of such circumstances, the pleadings in this writ may have to be re-examined. Mr. Rubin, legal counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that he has no instructions as such and has sought for some time to clarify on this issue and to apprise this court of the latest status of the petitioner's case. Accordingly, as prayed for, list this matter up to 2 weeks.
Okay.
Good.